Hey everyone, Elliot here. Have you ever been locked out of your iPad, staring at that frustrating iCloud activation lock screen? You're not alone. In today's video, we're breaking down multiple ways to bypass the iPhone lock to owner message, also known as the iCloud activation lock. These methods work across iPhones, iPads, and even Apple Watches. And the best part? They're completely legal. Now, I know you might be tempted to use some sketchy software or pay for a service that promises to unlock your device. Trust me, I've been down that rabbit hole, but I found way better, safer, and free alternatives that are quicker and guaranteed to work. So stick around and let's get your device unlocked. Just a heads up, this info is only for people who own their device but forgot their access info. We don't support illegal actions like unlocking stolen devices. Follow the law and respect others' rights. Our video follows YouTube's rules. Now let's get started. All right, let's dive right into the services. If you've been considering some sketchy software or shady ads claiming to unlock your device, hold on a second. There are safer and better alternatives out there. For educational purposes, let's explore some of the best options available. Services like UnlockHere's AI-powered unlocking web app, Safe Unlocks, Locked to Owner, and iUnlock app offer reliable solutions to remove the iPhone locked to owner message. These tools are designed to help you unlock your device if you've simply forgotten your access info. Now, I know you might be wondering about the best way to go about it. Maybe you've tried a few methods already, but they didn't work or they seemed a bit too risky. Well, these services are specifically built to handle such issues securely and legally. For instance, UnlockHere's AI unlocking assistant uses advanced algorithms to safely bypass the activation lock, ensuring your data remains intact. Safe Unlocks is another great choice with a reputation for reliability and ease of use. If you've heard about Lock to Owner and iUnlock app, these are also top-notch services that have helped many users regain access to their devices without any hassle. So let's get into how to use these tools effectively. First, open your browser on your phone or computer and go to UnlockHere.com. This is an AI-powered web app that helps you unlock any mobile phone restriction you might have. Once you're on the website, let Nifty, the AI bot, know that you need an iCloud unlock by clicking on Remove Activation Lock. Next, select that you have an iPhone, though you can also choose iPad or Apple Watch if that's what you're unlocking. You'll then need to enter the IMEI or serial number of your device. Here's where it matters. iPhones all have IMEIs, so you'll choose IMEI for an iPhone. Some iPads and Apple Watches have IMEIs if they come with a SIM card slot or have cellular capability, but most only have a serial number. To find it, press the sleep button on your locked device, tap it again, and then tap the I on the bottom right to show your device info. Don't forget to input your device information in the next step. Enter your basic info to attach the order to your account. Make sure it's real info so that you can receive your order confirmation. You'll get a confirmation code sent to your email, which you'll need to confirm. After that, check that you agree to the terms, confirm you're not trying to unlock a stolen device, and tap Start Process. You'll need to solve a quick CAPTCHA to prove you're not a robot. You will then receive an email with a confirmation code. Also, make sure to check your spam or junk folder in case it lands there. Take the confirmation code, click the button to land on a page where you have to enter it, and once again, confirm you're not a robot. Once entered, your unlock process will start and your device will be unlocked. As you can see here, we swipe up to see the iPhone Lock to Owner page. In this part, it really takes time and patience. We wait for the unlock process to activate the phone, and as you can see, we swipe left and wait for a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Don't worry, it'll be worth the wait. You will enjoy your phone once again once it's finally unlocked, so it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Patience is the key here. And there it is. In this part, let's skip all the setup. Don't worry, you can go back to set it all up later. Make sure to check the terms and conditions and skip the rest of the steps and just do it all later on. And there you have it. It says, "Welcome to iPhone." Now go to Settings and create your own Apple ID. Tap Forget Password, or don't have Apple ID to create a new one. And here you can just add your personal details to continue. And here's a shortcut to check your device info, making sure that this is legit. And yeah, your device is now fully unlocked and ready to use. All right, guys, here are some more alternative ways to do it. Let's talk about legal methods to remove the iCloud activation lock. If you're locked out of your Apple device, it can be a real headache. You've probably already tried searching for solutions and found tons of sketchy services, but there are legitimate and safe ways to do this. First, contacting Apple support directly is always a good option. If you can prove the device is yours, they might help you out, especially if you have the original receipt. Another way is using Apple's Find My feature to reset your Apple ID password or remove the device from your account. Unlock services like UnlockHere's AI-powered unlocking web app, Safe Unlocks, Locked to Owner, and iUnlock app are also reliable options. These services are designed to bypass the iCloud activation lock legally and securely. They use advanced tech to make sure your data stays safe and your device gets unlocked without any hassles. If you've forgotten your access info and are locked out, these services can be lifesavers. For instance, UnlockHere's AI unlocking assistant is straightforward to use and highly effective. Safe Unlocks is another user-friendly service that has gained a good reputation for its reliability. Locked to Owner and iUnlock app also offer great solutions for those stuck with the iPhone Locked to Owner message. Each of these services provides clear instructions and user-friendly interfaces, making them accessible even if you're not tech-savvy. Remember, it's essential to use these tools responsibly and only if you are the device's rightful owner. Misuse can lead to legal issues, and it's not worth the risk. You need to know that these unlock services only work in first-world countries. If you can't access these services or prefer not to use them, we've got you covered. We offer 250 unlocks every week for users who watch our videos. To enter, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment below with your device model, IMEI, and your country. Once you complete these steps, you're automatically entered into our weekly draw. That's all for now. See you in the next video.